In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your Shopify product description. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then start on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your store, products, orders, themes, everything. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you control how your store looks to your customers. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme. Next, click on the option to edit your theme. Depending on your setup, this might be labeled as Customize or a similar button next to your live theme. This will open the theme editor where you can visually edit the layout and styling of your store. At the top of the editor, there's usually a drop-down that shows which page you're editing. It might say Home Page by default. Click on that drop-down, then switch from the homepage view to your product templates. Choose Products, and then select the default product template. This tells Shopify that you want to make changes to how your standard product pages look, including the description area. Once the default product template loads, scroll or look for the product description section on the preview. Click directly on the description area in the live preview. This selects that specific block so we can target it with custom styling. On the left-hand side, you'll now see the settings for that block. Look for a small gear icon, usually indicating more settings or theme settings for that block, and click on it. In the panel that opens, find and select custom-CSS. This is where we'll add a bit of code to control the font. Click inside the empty custom-CSS field so your cursor is active there. Now, in a separate tab, head over to ChatGPT or your preferred tool and ask for the specific CSS code you need to apply the font you want to your product description. For example, you might request code to use a certain web-safe font or adjust font size and weight. Once you have that CSS, go back to the Shopify Theme Editor tab and click again into the empty custom CSS box. Paste your code into this field. You should see the changes update in the live preview on the right. Finally, when you're happy with how the font looks in your product description, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your new